It's your girl Nisha with 2 A's back at again with another YouTube video. And today, y'all, we gonna be making a jerk chicken, steak, and shrimp pineapple boat bowl. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so let me show y'all. So now I'll be showing you guys the ingredients that you need to use to make this delicious meal that actually turned out great. Okay, so first we got the chicken. We already seasoned it. I'm gonna put the seasons that we used in the description box below. We got the bell peppers, the pineapple, we got the steak, and show them shrimp. We got the shrimp. We got the lime, the ginger,
and cilantro.
Yep, and cilantro. So for the seasons we use Cajun spice seasoning, Old Bay seasoning for shrimp, some Jamaican jerk seasoning, probably for the chicken.
For everything.
For everything. Some garlic powder, black pepper, chicken seasoning. We use some extra virgin olive oil packed in Italy to cook it and fry it. We got some steak seasoning, some soy sauce. We also have some teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki sauce. And that's not me.
So now we about to prep. And rice. Let them know whatever kind of rice they want to use.
Oh yes, and you also need rice if you want rice with this meal, but rice goes with the meal. You can use any kind of rice that you have at home,
yellow rice,
or
brown
whatever
rice,
kind of rice you get
rice
your hands on,
whatever,
or whatever rice that you like. You can get white rice, brown rice,
yellow rice,
rice-a-roni, yellow rice, any kind of rice that
whatever
you would prefer. Any brand, it doesn't matter, just whatever you like. You also don't have to use these seasonings. You can use whatever seasonings that you eat and that you are not allergic to, and that
or to your taste
you like. So yeah, we'll be back. Okay, so right there is the steak. We added some of that olive oil that I showed you. We have the rice boiling, and back there, this is the chicken, and the chicken right here, and we added the bell peppers and onions in it. The rice over there is almost done, and the steak over there is cooking as well as how the chicken is cooking. He was cooking with the Quilla,
girl,
but now
I got no last on.
Okay, so let me tell y'all something. If y'all don't want to be over looking crazy, don't make crazy faces and I'll put the camera on y'all. So we got my mom helping us right now. She keep making weird faces. I don't know why.
We didn't ask her to help, though. Because when I asked her to help, she didn't want to help.
I had no choice.
No.
But, yeah. Alright, y'all. So the steak is done. The chicken back there is also done. The shrimp just got in, so it's not quite done, but it's almost done. The rice is done. And now it's time to start cutting our bowls up into boats. Alright, so now y'all, she's cutting up the pineapple. So far what she did was cut it in half, so now she's cutting on the perimeter of the inside of the pineapple, just right on the edges, so we can scoop the inside out, and we're going to cut them up into little pineapple squares. And we're going to do that to the other half, all of the other pineapples. So we're going to do that to the other pineapple on the other side, the other half. And we're going to finish doing that to all the other pineapples that we have. And I'm going to get back to you guys when we're done. So we just took out the insides of the pineapple and added all of the ingredients that we made inside of it. And you can add like basil leaves or whatever you want to put on top. Or you can just keep it like that, whatever you prefer. But thank you guys so much for watching this video.